In this quick video, I'll show you how to make slow motion in Premiere Pro. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. So firstly, move the timeline slider to where you want the slow motion effect to begin. Then hold Ctrl and press K to split the clip at that point. Next, right click on the second part of the clip and select speed/duration. Change the speed to 10%. Then click the drop down beside the time interpolation and choose optical flow for a smoother result. Now if you preview the clip, you'll notice that it's very choppy because Premiere Pro can't render optical flow in real time. That's why preview might look choppy. To see it properly, move the timeline slider to the start of the slowed section and press I to mark the in point. Then move to the end and press O for the out point. Now go to sequence and select render in to out. Once it's done rendering, you will have a smooth cinematic slow motion effect. So this was the process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.